Welcome to Next Gen Reviews. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting 2025 Toyota bZ4X, an electric SUV that combines modern technology, impressive performance, and eco-friendly innovation. Let's take a closer look at what makes this vehicle a game-changer in the electric vehicle market. Design and exterior. The 2025 Toyota bZ4X boasts a futuristic design with a sleek, aerodynamic exterior. Its bold front grille and sharp LED headlights give it a commanding presence on the road. The clean lines and dynamic curves not only improve the vehicle's aerodynamics, but also contribute to its modern aesthetic. With a slightly larger body than its predecessor, the bZ4X provides more interior space while maintaining a compact and agile feel. Interior and comfort. Inside, the 2025 Toyota bZ4X offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with a minimalist yet high-tech design. The large touchscreen infotainment system is at the heart of the dashboard, providing easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The seats are crafted for long-distance comfort, and the ample cargo space makes it an ideal choice for both daily commutes and road trips. Performance and range. Under the hood, the bZ4X delivers an impressive electric performance. With options for both front-wheel and all-wheel drive, it ensures a smooth and responsive ride. The battery offers an estimated range of up to 250 miles on a full charge, making it a great choice for both city driving and longer journeys. The vehicle also features fast charging capabilities, allowing you to recharge up to 80% in just 30 minutes. Technology and safety. The 2025 Toyota bZ4X is packed with advanced technology, including Toyota's Safety Sense suite, which offers features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The intuitive infotainment system integrates seamlessly with your smartphone, while the premium sound system enhances your driving experience. Conclusion. The 2025 Toyota bZ4X represents a bold step forward in the world of electric vehicles. With its cutting-edge design, advanced technology, and strong performance, it's clear that Toyota is committed to shaping the future of sustainable transportation. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more automotive updates. Thanks for watching.